Welcome back guys, CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about a BVOL and the VIX, two volatility indexes. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to know BVOL characterize the interests of traders in a trading BTC. It's if we talk about a BTC. VIX, absolutely the same, but for S&P 500. So BVOL got the several patterns between the movement of BVOL and the BTC price. And I would like to show you on the charts what we can determine on a BVOL chart and price of BTC. You have to note the two moments. A high volatility index means a gradual attenuation of price movement and increases a flat, some sideways formation on the BTC chart. And the low volatility index is a signal of possible upward or downward impulse in the asset price. So let's take a look on a week's index. I mark the dates on a weekly time frame. So let's say we got a all-time low, historical all-time low. This one, we got a lowest point of weeks in December 2006. What happened with the S&P 500 that time? It was almost historical all-time high. After that, after 10 months, we hit a new historical all-time high. And after this new all-time high, I mark this top, we go into crazy bear market. In October 2008, we got historical highest point of volatility. And in March 2009, we hit the historical all-time low and we start the new cycle. And only in November 17, we sweep this historical low. Yes, it was just a tiny sweep. In November 17, we hit the historical lower low on a week's index. And after almost a year, we hit a new historical all-time high on S&P 500. September, October 2018. We saw the almost craziest volatility on a COVID dump. This was the March 2020. What happened at that time with S&P 500? We drop it down and sweep this local low. Yes, guys, if something happened once again, we can see, for example, something like this sweep, and on the chart, it can be something like, let's say, this one move. Then we trade with correction, forming new all-time high, and after that going down. Maybe, for example, if it can be the autumn 2024, maybe in spring 2025, we're gonna hit the all-time high on S&P 500 and we're going down. I think, yes, I think we have all chances to sweep this historical low this cycle. If we take a look on a Bitcoin, the K levels, take a look. The highest point of the volatility was here in February 18. What we saw at that time on the chart. So this was after all-time high. We hit this low. What do we see next? Here's November 18. We didn't sweep the historical low. This was November 18. And exactly after that week, we dump it like 50% more. Here was a COVID dump. And here was a volatility on the chart. Crazy volatility. Next one, we got an all-time high on a Bitcoin, November 21. This one. And low volatility before the downtrend. After that, we saw the new historical lower low, August 2023. August 2023. We got after that from 20K 700, we dump it 5K. And we start new trend. That's why, guys, most likely, this is a weekly time frame, most likely on the next week, we can see the sweep of this local low here. And then what I can expect from this one, we can bounce and then forming the new historical low like this one, and it can be the all-time high for Bitcoin. Something like this one, and we can't know where the price will stop. And after that, we will form the new reversal pattern, maybe in 2025, when we sweep it, and after the few months, maybe it's going to be the spring 2025, we'll see the new bear market. So guys, I highly recommend you go into TradingView, find out the BVOL. You can use it for 7 days volatility, for 24 hour, for historical volatility index, and find out maybe some new K levels. And it can help you determine the potential next price movement on a Bitcoin or on S&P 500. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.